I love it, like you just did.
Amr, do you like coming to the chiropractic office?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Amr, we're gonna get you adjusted now, okay? All right, lay on your back for me.
Back?
Yep, on your back. Good. All right, nice and relaxed, sweetheart. Did you hear the bubbles?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. How does that feel?
Good.
All right, up we go. Okay, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.